Zydis ODT is a freeze-dried tablet that dissolves instantly in the mouth without the need for water, making it a convenient and discreet option for people with migraines to take their medication at any time and in any place. Zydis technology has been used to successfully develop Nurtec ODT, the first and only calcitonin gene-related peptide, or CGRP, receptor antagonist used for the acute and preventive treatment of migraines. Zydis technology is considered the best-in-class ODT and has established advantages over conventional oral dosage forms, including improved patient compliance, adherence, and convenience. For indications where rapid onset is critical, such as migraine, Zydis ODT can provide ideal solutions for both innovators and patients. To learn more about Zydis ODT, visit www.catalent.com/Zydis.